You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -28. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 14 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -28.